discuss about 4.5 soaps and detergents. Sodium ion, oil, oil droplet, sodium ion, sodium ion, sodium ion. Figure 4.12 Formation of micelles. This activity demonstrates the effect of soap in cleaning. Most dirt is oily in nature, and as you know, oil does not dissolve in water. The molecules of soap are sodium or potassium salts of long-chain carboxylic acids. The ionic end of soap interacts with water, while the carbon chain interacts with oil. The soap molecules thus form structures called micelles, where one end of the molecule is towards the oil droplet while the ionic end faces outside. This forms an emulsion in water. The soap micelle thus helps in pulling out the dirt in water, and we can wash our clothes clean. Can you draw the structure of the micelle that would be formed if you dissolve soap in a hydrocarbon? Micelles soaps are molecules in which the two ends have differing properties. One is hydrophilic, that is, it interacts with water, while the other end is hydrophobic, that is, it interacts with hydrocarbons. When soap is at the surface of water, the hydrophobic tail of soap will not be soluble in water, and the soap will align along the surface of water with the ionic end in water and the hydrocarbon tail protruding out of water inside water. This portion is hydrophilic, and this figure is hydrophobic, and this this structure is soap molecule. Sodium ion, sodium ion, sodium ion, sodium ion, sodium ion. Color: blue color indicates indicate hydrophilic, and white color hydro indicate hydrophobic, and this structure is grease or dirt. First step First step is cloth is dirt, is hydrophilic and hydrophobic, and grease are dirt, hydrophilic and hydrophobic, and remove dirt or grease. Oil drops, remove oil drops. These molecules have a unique orientation that keeps the hydrocarbon portion out of the water. Thus, clusters of molecules in which the hydrophobic tails are the are in the interior of the cluster, and the ionic ends are on the surface of the cluster. This formation is called a micelle. Soap in the form of a micelle is able to clean, since the oily dirt will be collected in the center of the micelle. The micelles stay in solution as a colloid and will not come together to precipitate because of ion-ion repulsion. Thus, the dirt suspended in the micelles is also easily rinsed away. The soap micelles are large enough to scatter light, hence a soap solution appears cloudy. Effect of soap in cleaning. Have you ever observed while bathing that foam is formed with difficulty and an insoluble substance? Scum remains after washing with water. This is caused by the reaction of soap with the calcium and magnesium salts, which cause the hardness of water. Hence, you need to use a larger amount of soap. This problem is overcome by using another class of compounds called detergents as cleansing agents. Detergents are generally sodium salts of sulfonic acids or ammonium salts with chlorides or bromides, ions, etc. Both have long hydrocarbon chain. The charged end of these compounds do not form insoluble precipitates with the calcium and magnesium ions in hard water. Thus, they remain effective in hard water. Detergents are usually used to make shampoos and products for cleaning clothes. Like, share, comment, subscribe this video. Thanks for watching.